Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about some MCQs. Choose the correct option. Today we are going to discuss about fill in the blanks, match the pairs correctly, and true and false of chapter 4, standard 8 SS, how the traders became rulers. Okay. Now here fill in the blanks I have written. Okay. Now fill in the blank. Number 1. War means fighting. War started among Maratha states. War started among Maratha states after the death of Peshwa blank. After the death of which Peshwa, the Marathas fought among themselves. My dear student, the correct answer is Nana Fadnavis. After the death of Nana Fadnavis, the Marathas fought among themselves. Okay, a war started among themselves. After whose death? After Nana Fadnavis' death. Okay, got it? Next one. Dalhousie started education in blank language. Which language? Correct. Dalhousie started English education. Education in English language. Okay, and I explained for what purpose he started. He wanted some person to work for the uh, company. That's why. Okay. Next, Wellesley wanted the people of blank. Wellesley wanted the people of blank to go back their country. Which people? My dear student, when Wellesley came, there was a tough competition between the Britishers and French. French means France. Okay, so here Wellesley wanted the people of France. People of France. Okay, means the French people. Okay, to go back to their country. And my dear student, in order to uh, keep control over India. Okay, he started the policy that is called subsidiary alliance policy. Why he introduced that I already explained in a first video. Okay, when Wellesley came, there was a tough competition, so he wanted to throw the French East India Company from India, and he wanted to send the people of France to go back their country. He started which policy? Started subsidiary alliance policy. Okay, so Wellesley wanted the people of France, his French people, to go back their country. Next one, the subsidiary alliance system gave a feeling of blank to the kings. Okay, in the beginning it was the feeling of safety in the beginning, but later on it was the feeling of slavery, dasatwa. It was the feeling of slavery. So slave means gulam, das. Okay. So in the beginning, when they accepted the subsidiary alliance policy, it gave in the beginning it gave the feeling of, we can say, safety, feeling of safety. But later on they came to know it was not safety. Later on it gave the feeling of slavery, dasatwa, gulam. Okay, a feeling of slavery to the kings. Here, match the pairs correctly. My dear student, again and again in each and every chapter I say that when you match the pairs, you have to write down answer in a same line. Okay, no need to draw lines. Now first one, Maharaja of Punjab. Maharaja of Punjab. So who was the Maharaja of Punjab? Ranjit Singh. Ranjit Singh was the Maharaja of Punjab. Second one, subsidiary alliance system. Who introduced subsidiary alliance system? Correct. Lord Wellesley. Okay. Lord Wellesley introduced subsidiary alliance system. And who introduced annexation policy? Correct. Okay. Annexation policy was started by Lord Dalhousie. Got it? Who? Lord Dalhousie. My dear student, next one is establishment of three university. In which year? In which year Dalhousie started three universities? Okay, it was in 1857. In which year? 1857. And do you know which are the three cities? Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. Got it? Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. Three universities were started by Dalhousie. In which year? 1857. Got it? Next one, railway line in India. My dear student, in which year the railway line started in India? In 1853. In 1853. Okay, I have written here 1853. My dear student, in which year railway line started in Gujarat? Don't know, na? Okay, no problem. Okay, it was in 1855, and the first time the rail ran between Ankleshwar to Uttaran. Ankleshwar to Uttaran in 1855. Got it? Okay, no problem. If you don't know, don't worry. Just for the knowledge, I am saying. Okay, don't worry. But in India, it was 1853. Now write true or false. Next exercise. Okay, write true or false. My dear student, once again I repeat. Don't put simply mark true or false. If any sentence is false, so what would be the correct answer? That should be in your mind. Okay, it should be that because of that reason this sentence is false, or because of that reason the sentence is true. There should be firm idea in your mind. Okay, don't simply put true or false like that signs. Okay. Modern postal system, modern postal system was started during Wellesley's period. When Wellesley was there, Governor General, he started modern postal system. It is true or false? False, my dear. False. Why it is false? Because modern postal system was started during not Wellesley. It was the time of Lord Dalhousie. Who was that? Lord Dalhousie. Now, divide and rule was the policy of the British. Yeah, we know. Okay, he started this policy divide and rule. My dear student, and because till today also we are suffering from this policy divide and rule. They divided the people in different castes, even we can say in a religion also. Okay, different creed. Okay, and still we are fighting in the name of religion. Okay, so divide and rule was the policy of the British. Correct. Okay. Many native states, remember the thing, by reading only one or two words, don't go for the answer. Read properly. Many native states became victim of Wellesley's annexation policy. True or false? False. Okay, why it is false? Why it is false? My dear student, annexation policy means Dalhousie. Annexation policy means Dalhousie, and subsidiary alliance policy means Lord Wellesley.